This is the mean arterial pressure interactive calculator, which solves for various cardiovascular parameters using different calculation modes. The calculator has a drop-down menu called Select Calculation Mode with 6 options. Calculate map from systolic and diastolic. Calculate map from cardiac output and resistance. Calculate systolic pressure from map. Calculate diastolic pressure from map. Calculate systemic vascular resistance from map. And calculate pulse pressure from map. For this demonstration, I'll use Calculate map from systolic and diastolic. The input fields are systolic pressure in mmHg and diastolic pressure in mmHg. Additional fields appear for other calculation modes, including cardiac output in liters per minute, SVR in dynes second per centimeter to the fifth, central venous pressure in mmHg, and mean arterial pressure in mmHg. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 120 for systolic pressure and 80 for diastolic pressure. After clicking Calculate, the tool computes the mean arterial pressure, which represents the average pressure in your arteries during one cardiac cycle. This value is crucial for assessing tissue perfusion and cardiovascular health in engineering applications for medical devices and hemodynamic monitoring systems. This calculator streamlines complex cardiovascular calculations for biomedical engineers. Find the link in the description below.